Bro, we just got here. I already hear a cop. You heard that in the background. We outside. Got a Porsche right here. Nice little Porsche. Cars up. Close it up. Oh. Camaro with the... in the back. Took a photo.
Is that a road up there?
Yeah.
I don't even know.
Bro, this is my last video. That's why I just for my last video. No, I was just here. In that video.
I'm parked right here.
Are you finna go across? I'm trying to see something. That's a gas station, bro. It's a gas station. Hey. You got that wide body out. Ooh, the M4. Nice Camaro. But I need me a lip and some skyscrapers on everything. Hey, this shit chopping. We're going to gas station. Look at him. Nice M240i. Look at this, bro. That shit is fire. That's fire. Woo. Shit. Little Carver. Hey, you running with who? Alexis? Bro, this is exactly how I would have it. Peanut butter guts too. Oh, like I'm hating. I want this shit so bad, bro. I ain't hating though. That shit hard. This is, bro, this exact same Benz was here in the last video on everything. It felt like it raining. Not as many cars out though. We're gonna go across the street. True, right here. It's a drop top too, huh? Oh, nah. I can't tell. Ooh. On everything we both said that. Nice carbon hit. That shit hard. Hey, it's hard too. Good daily.
Excuse me, did I give you permission to film my car?
Hey, my bad.
Yo.
Excuse me.
Oh, nice photo. What?
Okay.
Nice fitment. Ooh, good Bentley. Put my wife in this. This color busting, bro. Oh my goodness.
God.
That daily
Look at the lineup. Look at
weekend. Cops is over here talking shit, talking about we gotta leave. I need my footage.
Today.
We did, huh?
Or it might not been the same. Oh no, it was different. It had the.
The wing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Jay, this the boosted?
Oh yeah, get that shit on video. Get that shit on video. You heard that?
What? What do you say?
Is it recording? Is it recording? Oh fuck yeah, yeah. Edit that shit. Leave it
How
in there.
fast is it?
At HTG Performance.
How fast it was?
Huh?
How fast is it?
Oh, it's a piece of shit.
It is?
It's a fake turbo. It's from eBay.
Oh,
It's
it's
just
not.
cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is. M24. Oh, Nardo. I haven't seen Nardo in a minute. X-Rod. Actually, hard. At least Bevel tunes is crazy. I'm trying to get this trying to turn on. This M3 hard. It's hard. Huh? We gotta bounce. That's some free drinks right here, bro. Why would that be outside? Nice Supra. Hey, we gotta go. M5, Mark. Back my M5, it's gonna be fine. Ooh, cops is out. Cops is out. Bro, there's so many cars out. Hey, damn, cops messed it up.
Hey, I'll see you.
We going right now?
Yeah, next pop.
Bro, did I just find a CSL? Hold on. Is this CSL, bro? Ooh. Hey, it's all make space and shit. I ain't finna go like that, bro. That's CSL. That's crazy. Hey YouTube, We gotta go take some photos right now. I'm gonna throw them in the video right now. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up. Bro, what the hell? There's too many cops out. I said, you trying to just rush home. Yeah. Hey, why is this blinking like that? It's not the time to be doing that, gang.
Good light.
Yeah. Alright, we gotta flip it. This shit crazy. Like the one on the face or ugly. I don't know why this light's blinking, but it's not the right time to be doing that.
Yeah, that shit is so light.
We got the light and shit too. Not crazy. Scared the fuck out of me, bro. What the hell? Yeah, this shit is mad nice. Mustang. Nice car, brother. This color look nice too. They got GTR. Hey, this shit hella hard.
How much power are you making first?
I think it's a ZR1 for real. Ooh,
Tune right now. Tweaking. Oh, that's
this shit looks stupid. Hey, the lineup crazy. ZR1, ZL1. Well, it's an SS though, but I got that ZR1 front end. If I had a damn SS, I would have this just like this. But since the V6, I don't want to be putting like all the extras, like with the wing, the front splitter, all that, because they're gonna be like, oh, why you need that? Hey, but ZR1 hella hard though. That shit right there. Oh. GTR always gonna be my favorite type of car. These Johns are amazing. This is beautiful. Alright.
Hey guys.
Shit, I didn't know they had back seats.
Thank you guys so much for coming out. I appreciate all you guys. This means a
Bikes
lot.
coming through. This is fire. Big ass TRX, bro. That shit huge. Damn. It's that big turbo super from that DDE meet.
Guys, whoever
It's fire.
wants any coffee or anything like that, we got Cafe Habibi right here. It's run by my two sisters. If any of you guys want to grab coffee or anything like here, for 11 years, is operating the store. So I feel like every single time I make the same speech, so
It's mad nice.
Man, sorry, excuse me guys, my voice is a little gone, but
They just announced a whole bunch of stuff about the business. They got NSX, M8. I'ma get copyrighted, bro. Bro, daily one of these would be crazy. Like, that would be crazy as shit. Having all of these, bro, even this M right here, Bentley slept on. This like a daily. I would hear this. This is stupid. That too, but hey, this is nice. It's that M like. Bro, this John is fat. This is fat. That's crazy. Bro, cops trying to shut this shit down. This color wild. Oh my goodness. Hey, GT3RS? Oh my god. Hey, that's all the footage I can really get. Cause I'm gonna get copyrighted if I stay over there, like full copyrighted. There's hella people out tonight though, like hella people. Oh, this shit is scraping. Over looking at them for help, bro. You should be know how to drive that. Daily in a low car in California is terrible. M720S. And I don't know what that, I can't tell what that is. It look a little front bumper swap-ish. I don't know. That look fast though. They got a damn drag tire on that joint. That should look fast. That shit sound crazy.